feeling? Alright, so there's a little flow to help you find how your core and your breathing stay active when you're moving fast. So, just go at your own pace and notice if your breath wants to hold up, keep it flowing. So, start out doing a little bit of nice, gentle forward folding into Tadasana. Letting the pelvis rotate. Big inhale up. Big exhale down. And then come into your downward facing dog. Inhale with the right leg. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale back to three-legged dog. Right knee, right elbow. Three-legged dog. And of course you switch. Inhale, left foot up. Left knee, left elbow. So try to really squeeze it up there using your core instead of dumping your pelvis under. So keep your pelvis neutral. Inhale back. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Good. Then you can either take a break down here on your knees, or you can go right back into the next one. So in a plank. The one breath, one movement would be, you take a big inhale in plank. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale back. Exhale, left knee to the left elbow. Inhale back. Now we're going to do one breath for several movements. So we go inhale, right, left, right, left. Exhale, right, left, right, left. All the time, keeping yourself stable. Then back to downward facing dog. And then when you feel ready to do it again, come forward, take a big inhale, and exhale, right, left, right, left. That's all one exhale. Then inhale, right, left, right, left. Good. Then, next, come forward to this front of the space. You can do a few chair, fold. That's an inhale. Make sure your tail reaches straight down. Then exhale, press into your feet to fold. Then, inhale, chair. Right leg goes back. That's an exhale. Inhale up to crescent. Exhale, hands down. Step up with the right. Step back with the left. Inhale, rise up to crescent. Exhale, hands down. Step up. Step back. Inhale. Now let's double time it. Exhale. Step up. Step back. Inhale. Exhale. Hands down. Step back. Step up. Inhale. Hands down. Step up. Step back. Inhale. Whoa. Keep your balance. Hands down. Downward facing dog. Find your dog. And then when you're done with a couple sets of that, you can roll over onto your side, doing a little bit of isolated hip abduction strengthening. So you keep that ankle flexed, lift that top leg, and make sure that you're keeping your pelvis neutral. So don't let your pelvis dip down and dip up. You just let the pelvis stay neutral. Make sure the leg is doing the work. Then, feet together with the top leg. You can do each of these probably like 5 to 10 times, as long as you're doing it with quality. You can practice your one breath, one movement with this, or you can do one breath, several movements. So inhale, exhale, as long as you're not in a hurry. Then for the inner thigh, lift the inner leg up, using your core, flexing the ankle, dorsiflexing the ankle. Good. Of course, you do the other side, but I'll skip it for now, just to show you some core stuff. So level one, just to make sure you're doing it right, tuck your chin, lift your shoulders and head the same rate, reach forward, little crunch. Do 5, 10 of those, then a little bridge, giving the neck a break, clasping your hands underneath you. And try not to just smash the hips up. Use your core to lift the pelvis into that straight line. Then when you're ready for the next phase, use your core to bring your knees over your hips. Reach your hands up, crunch up. You can stay here and inhale, kick the leg, and exhale, bring it back using your core. Inhale, kick. Exhale, bring it back. Then when you're ready to move on, inhale.